Hey guys, welcome back to Startup Central. So a few weeks ago, we started qualifying for the Aptos Airdrop, and we created a video for that, and we actually went ahead and completed a few tasks that were grouped into main quests. Now, Aptos just released a third quest, and this is what we are going to be looking at today. I'm going to show you my browser, and we are going to be completing those quests. So this is a step-by-step guide on doing so. It should take you less than 5 minutes. I'm going to show you how. And it's important that I show you how to get there because it's not easily found on the Galxe page. I mean, it's buried. I don't know why Aptos does this. Their tasks are buried deep inside their pages. But I'm going to show you guys. I want you to qualify, and that's what we're going to be looking at right now. So let's go to the browser. Here we are. So we already completed quest 1 and quest 2. We are up to quest number 3. If you click on more, you will see that you have to follow 4 different Twitter accounts or X accounts, and then click here. If you don't scratch this a little bit further, you would think that's all you need to know. Enter your email address and your wallet address, and then you would think you're done, and then you'll be waiting for that green check mark. But that will never happen unless you complete a number of extra steps or tasks which are not evident because you don't see them here. So if you click on this, any part in this area, you will see that there are more tasks to complete. Now, the first thing I want to show you before getting there is that depending on what you do, the quests assign you a number of different points. So the first quest was 20 points. The second one was 10 points. And this one is a lot more points that you're getting. So this is 50 points. So this should get you more brownie points for that airdrop. So I'm going to click on this icon, and now we get here. Even here, you don't see those extra tasks if you're just browsing quickly. But if you expand this and see view more, then you will see that there is more stuff to do. Here, it says campaign overview. You need to complete a minimum of 2 tasks to mint this Oat. What are those tasks? Well, you need to either buy an NFT, sell an NFT, mint an NFT, or bid on an NFT. Basically, that's it. And you can use any of these marketplaces. So I actually went ahead and before recording this video, I tested one of them, and this was Mercato, and it's really, really easy to do so. So you get here, and then you can click on minting if that's what you want to do, and try to mint something. Now, which one you choose is up to you. Some of them might be interesting, some of them might not. But I see like Aptos Quest number 3, and there is a supply. So we could actually mint that. So I got back to the Galxe page and clicked on mint on Mercato. And then I got this page. And that's the usual page from Galxe telling you, watch out, this is outside of Galxe, so don't worry, guys. You could actually go ahead and mint anything. I don't see the minting. So let's buy an NFT. We're going to go for the cheapest one. So you can actually click on floor. Well, actually, you cannot click. But you can see that there is one under one apt, which is this one. It's actually 1/10 of an apt. And you click here, and then you could actually buy it outright or make an offer. Both will qualify you, or you could actually do both. So if you don't want to spend a lot of money on that NFT, then you could actually click on any of these. They are worth the same thing, and click on buy. And then just click on buy an NFT. It's going to open your wallet and ask you to confirm. And that's it. You're going to be getting that NFT. The other thing you can do is to make an offer. So you can just click on bid and click here and enter the price that you want to buy this for. So you could type anything 0.0. I mean, this is not fair, but no one's going to be accepting this bid, but I'm going to be qualifying. So 0.05 when the price is going for 0.09. I'm going to place another bid. I just did a bid before recording this video so I could actually explain this to you without having to go through a lot of hurdles and pause this video a lot of times. Now, as you can see, I have made my bid. So I'm going to show you how to find that bid because you might want to cancel it after doing this. By doing this and placing this bid, I have already qualified for this airdrop, at least one of two tasks. But if you already went ahead and bought this other NFT, then you got that two tasks that you are required. Now, how do you find your bids? You go to the upper right side and click on the menu, and you look for My Bids Created. Now, you might have received some bids because people are trying to qualify for this. And actually, yeah, you need to click here on Bids Created, and you will see that I have placed two bids. One is lower than the other, and probably no one is going to want to sell this to me, but I don't want to buy them anyway. So I'm going to just click Remove Bid. It's going to return my 0.05 apt. Probably going to pay a little bit of gas fee. That's 0.00007 apt for that gas fee. Same thing with this. I'm just going to remove the collection bid. Now, if you place two bids, that will not qualify you for this airdrop. You need to do two different actions. So either buy, sell, or mint, or bid. So that's 4 options for you. Now for the second action, my recommendation at the time of recording this video is to mint, because it's going to be basically free. So all you have to do is go up here to Launchpad and click on Launches. And then you could, click on whatever you want, but this one is for free. And you could choose any other one that is for free, like the cat or whatever. What I did is actually I went ahead and clicked on Aptos Quest key. I don't know if this is really related, but the quest doesn't say you need to mint this one in particular. But all you have to do is mint. So you have to click how many you want to mint, and then click on mint, and then mint one item. And it's going to open my wallet. It's going to charge me 0.0005 apt for gas fee, which is basically nothing. And then I will have minted this item, which will qualify me. As you will be able to see, I have 2 of this. I mean, there's no reason for me to have 2 other than recording this video and showing you how to do this. So let's go back to this quest page, because there's one other thing I wanted you to see. There is a deadline for this. It's on February, and we're going to look for that. February 7th. So there's still time for you to do this, guys. And the other thing I want to show you, because this is really, really important, and if you don't do this right, then you will not be able to qualify even if you complete these tasks. So it says the Aptos wallet submitted must match that which you use to complete the on-chain task. That's easy, guys. I'm sure you're using that. Furthermore, this wallet must be the one associated with your Galxe account. And this is the important thing, guys. You need to associate this wallet with your Galxe account. You probably already did so, but if not, you need to go ahead and link this too. And you might be asking yourself, how do you get there? Well, it's very easy. I'm gonna just shorten this a little bit so you can see. You go to the upper right hand where you see this thingy. In my case, it's kind of pinkish. It might be different in your case. And then go to settings, and then wallet address, and you will see what address is linked to your account. If you have nothing here, guys, you will earn nothing. In the case of Aptos, again, guys, this is for Aptos. So make sure you link your wallet. And once you do that, then you still need to complete one final step, which is click on this form. And I'm going to open that in another window because it's not going to be showing. And it's going to take you to a Google Docs form like last time. And then you need to enter your email address, enter your Aptos wallet address. So now that you have reviewed which one you have linked to the Galxe page, make sure that's the same one you're going to be entering here. And that's the same one you're going to be using to mint or buy or bid for those NFTs. So all you have to do is click here and send. Now, Aptos tells us that they're going to be checking this form and verifying it once a day. So don't get desperate if you don't see that little ring thingy appearing. And don't forget, guys, to follow those Twitter accounts. You just have to click twice and then you will have completed that. So just to sum it up, this is really easy. It should take you under 5 minutes. I already showed you what you need to do. If I were doing, I'm not a financial advisor, but if I were doing this again from scratch, I would first mint an NFT for free, and then I would place a bid, and then you would have basically not spend anything but just a tiny fraction of gas. But if you want to go ahead and buy an NFT and resell it, I'm sure that they would love that more than just doing 2 tasks, because it says minimum of 2 tasks. So it's up to you guys if you want to do 3 or 4, but it says minimum 2, you will get your Oat. So that's all you need to do, guys. I hope this information was useful. If it was, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel, where we all talk about airdrops, about crypto gems, and in general how to make money with crypto. See you in the next video. Bye-bye now.